emails aren't converting, the problem is not always the content. The setup matters as much. When starting email marketing, the first step is building a solid foundation inside your email marketing platform. If you are using MailerLite, which I recommend, and I have a link for you in my bio, start here. 1. Add your brand colors and logo. Go to Settings, Default Setting. 2. Authenticate your sender domain so your emails land in the inbox. Go to Settings, Domains. 3. Create one welcome email that sends instantly when someone joins your list. This prepares your system to deliver fast and look professional from the day one. These small steps makes your system stronger than most beginners. Follow me for more tips and hacks and visit my website if you want your setup done professionally.